can't see nothing. This is Grand Mesa. Escalante Canyon, looking for a place to stay. I see a spot down there. I might take that. Just because I'm a little worried about this road. This is where I'm choosing to spend my night tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna set up the tent. It's supposed to get to like 9 degrees tonight, but I am gonna have a fire. Somebody left me half a Christmas tree here and I got some wood in the back, so I'll stay warm tonight. I gotta get ready on the fire. Let's see how this goes. Finally got my fire where I'm not having to fight to keep it alive. Pretty happy about that. Took about 40 minutes. Got my fire going. Temperature is dropping. It was 21 when I pulled in and it's probably 15, 16 right now. I don't know, I'll check later. This fire is nice. Hey guys, I'm at Escalante Canyon. It's a nice piece of land over here on the west side of Colorado near Utah. I haven't seen one person else camping here, but I did see one truck drive by. I think it's a part of the ranches that's down the road. This place is so nice, quiet. The only thing I'm hearing is airplanes flying over. Buddy's been able to just run around. I don't even know where he's at right now. He's somewhere. Come check it out sometime if you're ever wanting to stay somewhere for free. It's a free camping. There's a lot of these in Colorado.